There I was, staring at the piano like it was some alien artifact. Music sheets might as well have been written in hieroglyphs, but in my head, it was a different story. Suddenly, I was a maestro, notes dancing around me like fireflies. That's when I thought, maybe this doesn't have to be just a daydream. I mean, everyone starts somewhere, right? Then I found Pianoforall. Finally, a learning method that didn't require a music degree to understand. It was like it was made for people like me. With Pianoforall, my tablet became my ticket to a musical journey. No stuffy classrooms, no judgmental instructors, just me and the keys. Next thing I knew, I was actually playing for other people. Nothing fancy, but hey, they weren't running away covering their ears. Practicing became less of a chore and more of an adventure. Each session was a chance to explore something new. One day, I'm figuring out pop tunes, feeling like I could start my own band. The next, I'm dipping my toes into jazz and blues. Who knew I had a little soul in these fingers? Sometimes I'd imagine playing for a real audience. Nerve-wracking? Sure, but also kind of thrilling. Now here I am, back at the same piano where it all started. Still no expert, but definitely not a beginner anymore. Funny how far a little persistence can take you.